Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create an account on Medium in 2025. This is perfect if you want to read great articles or if you want to start writing your own. So make sure that you stick around till the end so that you don't miss any of the important steps like about setting up your profile. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for medium.com. Once you are over here, you can either click on this start reading option or you can first of all click on this get started option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you can join Medium with the help of your Google account, your Facebook account, or if you want to sign up with email, you can also select that. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be clicking on sign up with Google. Then after selecting the email address and pressing continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you will see that my Medium account has been created successfully. So over here, if you are using email, you need to type your email address and then press continue. You may also be asked to verify your email address with the help of the link or the code. So you need to simply provide that, and this way you will be able to get into your medium.com account and create your account over here. Now click on this profile icon in the top right hand corner, and here you can come on your profile. You can basically set it up very easily, like you can add any photograph over here by clicking on this added profile option. You can add pronouns, a short bio, and here you can basically set up your account very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more writing and platform tips. You can also comment below if you want tutorials on any other topics. Thanks for watching.